Ever wonder why your bank account feels like a leaky bucket by the middle of the month? I've been there, and honestly, the hardest part of budgeting isn't the math, it's having the right tools to actually see where the leaks are coming from. If you're banking with Patriot Bank, you aren't just stuck with a basic transaction list. There are a few specific features I've used to finally get my spending under control. First, I highly recommend diving into their digital banking dashboard. Instead of just checking your balance, look for the Personal Financial Management (PFM) tools. What I love about this is the automated spending categorization. It automatically tags my transactions, like groceries, gas, or that daily coffee run, so I can see a visual pie chart of my habits. It's a reality check that's way more effective than a spreadsheet. Another game changer for me has been debit card controls. Inside the mobile app, you can actually set spending limits on certain types of purchases. If I know I'm prone to overspending on wants during the weekend, I can set a threshold. Plus, the real-time alerts hit my phone the second a transaction clears, which keeps me accountable in the moment rather than discovering a mistake 3 days later. If you're someone who likes more hands-on planning, Patriot allows for easy financial management integration. I personally export my data directly into QuickBooks or Quicken. It's seamless, so if you prefer a professional-grade budget outside the bank's app, you don't have to manually type in every single receipt. Lastly, don't sleep on their savings goal features. You can set up specific buckets for things like an emergency fund or a vacation. Seeing that progress bar fill up every time I move a few dollars over makes the saving part actually feel like a win. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.